Number one, the awkward silence. Have you ever been stuck in a conversation? You said hi, they said hi, and then nothing. Your brain freezes, your eyes look around, you pretend to check your phone, and the silence feels so loud. You start thinking, why am I so bad at talking? Number two, the realization. Here's the truth. Great talkers are not born knowing magic words. They just follow simple conversation habits. Talking is a skill, and like any skill, it can be practiced. You don't need to be funny. You don't need to be super confident. You just need better conversation tools. Number three, listen like a detective. Most people don't really listen. They just wait for their turn to speak. But good conversations come from active listening. Listen like a detective. Every sentence hides clues, small details, hidden stories, things you can ask about. Someone says, I was fixing my bike yesterday. That one sentence has many paths. Number four, turn small words into big conversations. You can ask, what happened to the bike? Did you fix it yourself? Do you ride often? Where do you usually go? One sentence, many doors. You never run out of things to say because you're opening new paths. Curiosity keeps conversations alive. Number five, build interesting inputs. If you feel boring, maybe your life feels repetitive. Conversations need material, so collect experiences. Try new hobbies. Watch documentaries. Play sports. Read random topics. Explore ideas. The more you experience, the more stories you carry. Number six, ask simple questions. There are no stupid questions when they come from real curiosity. Simple questions work best. How did you get into that? What do you enjoy most about it? Is it hard to learn? People love talking about themselves, and simple questions make them open up. Number seven, when nothing works. But sometimes, a conversation just doesn't flow, and that's okay. Maybe they're tired, maybe they're shy, maybe you just don't click. Not every chat is meant to sparkle. Don't force it. Number eight, the confidence shift. So remember, listen deeply, stay curious, live interestingly. Ask simple questions and relax. Silence isn't your enemy. It's just a pause before connection. You'll never run out of things to say again. Thanks for watching. This is actually productive, where discipline beats motivation and consistency builds real results. Subscribe if you're ready to improve quietly. See you in the next one.